It's 2 a.m. You're staring at the ceiling. The house is quiet, except for your heartbeat. You realize you're one flat tire, one medical bill away from a total reboot. You look at the next box of diapers, then at your bank balance. The math doesn't add up. Most gurus tell you suffer 10 years, cancel everything, eat rice and beans. They call it the Austerity Doctrine. I am here to tell you that is a lie. It is written by people who haven't been in your shoes. When you're wondering how to pay for diapers, 10 years of suffering feels like a death sentence. You don't need a death sentence. You need an exit. I wrote the exit manual. From a hospital bed, two newborns, $400 medications, dead broke. I cannot afford to fail, and neither can you. There's a free 5-day challenge. The link is in the bio. Day 1, find your 911 number. Day 5, make your first dollar. Let's build.